What up, you guys? Well, today we are gonna finally do an upgrade onto the mazdaspeed 3. I'm already kind of working on it. Basically what I have done already, I relocated the ECU. I need to buy another plastic piece because, as you can see, look at this, dude. The thing's gone, bro. This thing is like chipping away. Good thing I have a plastic piece from my Speed 6. But yeah, I kind of just took the 4 little screws right here that connects to the box, and then after you take off those 4, there's gonna be some Phillips screws here that you take off, and then you'll take off this small little bracket. Once you take those 2 pieces off, this is kind of how the box looks, just kind of bare. This is where the ECU goes right here. Basically I had to take that off because the 3.5 intake just won't fit. So yeah, now I'm just gonna disconnect the intake. I need to disconnect it from here, or I'll probably disconnect from here. The zip tie needs to come off. What else needs to come off? And then there's a long Phillips I'll use to go down in there to unscrew the manifold. So let's take the old intake out first. And here you are. We got the 3.5 intake, which honestly it's just 0.5 of an inch, but it looks like 10 times bigger than the 3-inch, which is crazy to me. That's looks like a big difference, dude. It's all clean and nice. This one's been a hell and back. This thing's all messed up. As you can tell, I was destroying my ECU. But yeah, so now we're gonna take the coupling off the CST turbo down there, put the other coupling in, and try and fit this intake in there. There's not much room, but we'll make it work. Okay, so I found out that my coupler is not the right size for the stupid ass CST4. It's slightly bigger, and so kind of fucked up. So what I did was, on the original intake, I got that coupler and then put the JBR 3.5 coupler over it, as you can see right there. So it's the HTP coupler onto the 3.5. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It might push out the intake way too far, but might as well just try it out. So nothing's going right on this thing, dude. Just one stupid thing after another keeping me from doing all these mods. But I'll try and install the intake and see how bad the fitment is real quick. I did use the coupler. It was slightly bigger, but for some reason, I don't know, it fits. I just had to tighten the shit out of it. I don't know, man. It don't seem right. It seems like the filter's way up here. It should be like way down here somehow to adjust it. But that's pretty much it. Like if I put this up, like I said, if I put this bracket right here, this thing is like way up here. I don't know. So I'm gonna just put it down here for now. Yeah. So I got it in. I just need to connect these lines to the. I'm gonna connect this one first. This one I'm gonna have to cut in half, and it comes with some little like PCV pipe right here to make a 90. So this 90 is gonna be right here, straight to the valve cover. And so yeah, let's do those 2 things. I'm gonna try and put the battery box in. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna just put the battery for now. Yeah, so let's get it. We got it in. So you see how like tilted up it is? I'm gonna screw the map bar sensor and then just adjust this, I guess, accordingly. The box fit in there. My ECU, I'm gonna just put it on the fuse box for now. And I'm gonna screw this in, put all the cables back, push this probably down as much as I can, and that's pretty much it. ECU I'm not worried about, because I'm still gonna there's a lot more things I'm gonna do to this car. Got a lot of parts in. It's just time to actually have to install the stuff. I still need to get you know, all the meticulous little things that you need to like have it running perfectly. I need to splice some wires and etc. etc. That's gonna be later on in some more videos. So, but for now, we're gonna just screw the map sensor, plug it in, connect the battery, put the new tune, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it, y'all. We got the 3.5 inch. It looks real nice, actually. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. But yeah, now let's go and get my keys, because I do not have them. Okay. So now let's install my new revision.
Testing.
Oh, yeah, right here, I think.
System ready.
Let's turn my AC off, even though I don't have AC. I really need to fix that thing. So change ECU map. And then we're gonna go with final V2 right here. Okay, so let's load this up, and yeah, then let's start up the car, see if there's any issues. So we got it done. Oh no, not there, not there, not there. Let's go here. And the moment of truth, the moment of truth. Pretty much it, y'all. Right now I'm just at work, you know, chilling on a Sunday, but hopefully you guys like the video. That intake makes the engine bay look a lot better, and it does seem like it's spooled a little bit faster, but I do need to get some revisions in. But other than that, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.